it's QC Chrissy, and I am back with a 2-minute tip. Today is Saturday, and here in Charlotte, it's CIAA weekend. And if you're not going to participate in CIAA weekend, it's best to just stay away from that area because it gets crazy and we just ain't feeling it. So it was stay in the house day, and so I decided to wash my makeup brushes. Now, I don't know about you, but when I wash my makeup brushes, it takes me super long, super long. So I went on YouTube and thought there's gotta be a quicker way. And I was like, I got all excited because I saw a girl who just put the hot water in the Dawn and some vinegar and soaked them for 20 minutes and then rinsed them off, and voila, they were done. So I did that. All I can tell you is don't believe everything you see on YouTube because I still hand washed every single one of those brushes with my Dawn. It did loosen up the makeup, but outside of that, I still washed every one of those brushes. So I will try it again one more time to see. Maybe I needed to soak them longer because it was dirtier, or maybe I needed to change up the formula or something. But like I said, it did. I should say it did cut down the time a little bit, but I still washed each brush individually. But anyway, that leads me to my 2-minute tip. When you wash your brushes, you have got to find a way that you're not drying them where the moisture is trapped in the handle, because it will mess up the glue in the handle. Eventually that handle will loosen or it can break or whatever. So I used a different method for drying. I found this. See if I can lift it. At TJ Maxx about a year or so ago. Look at all the brushes this holds. This thing was about $7 maybe, and you may be able to get it cheaper. So I am going to leave the link, because you can get them at Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. But this is just a much better way to go if you want to be able to keep your brushes as long as possible. If you can see up close, I have so many brushes that I put a couple of them in one hole and they fit. And these little holes, this plastic in the holes, it springs right back, and you just use it again. And the stand part folds down, and so you can just store it flatly when you're done with it, which makes it really nice. So that is my 2-minute tip. I hope it was useful to you. If so, leave me a comment. If you have a better way of faster way of cleaning brushes, I'm not talking about putting them in a washer, because I am not putting my brushes in the washer, but if there is a better formula to soak them and then be able to rinse them off easily, leave me a comment, let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you, and I will see you next time for my 2-minute tip.